Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best leather repair fillers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many leather repair fillers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each leather repair fillers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a leather repair filler. First, check the filler's compatibility with your type of leather, whether genuine, synthetic, or bonded, to ensure a smooth and lasting repair. Next, focus on the color matching options. Good fillers come in various shades or can be tinted easily for a perfect blend with your leather surface. Also, consider the filler's flexibility and durability once tried, as some may crack or peel over time if not designed for frequent use or bending. Look for products that are easy to apply and sand down for a professional finish, even for beginners. Finally, read customer reviews and product instructions carefully to ensure quality and ease of use. Choosing the right filler can save money and extend the life of your leather items. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.